How to buy TRX on OKX. Hello everybody, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can buy TRX on OKX, and here is how to go about it. The first step is to log in into your OKX account, just like I have done here, and then once you're logged in, you'll be brought to the home page automatically. Now, buying TRX is the same way as buying every other thing that you want to buy on OKX. Alright. So once you are logged in, move to the top left corner of the screen where you can see a group of dots. After clicking on it, you'll be brought to the profile page where you see your email, you'll see profile and settings, etc. Then if you've not carried out your identity verification, ensure you carried out. If not, you'll not be able to withdraw or buy Tron, which is also known as TRX on OKX. So just go ahead and click on withdraw. After clicking on withdraw, you'll be taken to the withdrawal page. On this page, you'll be asked to choose your withdrawal option. Ensure you choose it. After choosing your withdrawal option, you will also be asked to select the asset. In this case, it is Tron. Select it, fill in the recipient address or wherever the person that wants to buy it and all of that. Fill in the required details. After filling in the required details, check it if it's correct and then click on submit. Ensure you selected the correct network to avoid unnecessary issues. So this is how it works. Thanks for watching and have a good day.